Hi, I'm Angelica, studied Bachelor of Science in Information Technology major in Programming at Southern Leyte State University, Bontoc Campus. Today, I will discuss the popular book of Claude Shannon entitled A Mathematical Theory of Communication as of my reflection to it. Communication has a varied meaning. Communication is the interaction of a being or a connection. Communication is also means sending information or messages to a receiver. For example, chatting or talking with friends, families, to the people surrounding. But what if your receiver is in other place? Or let's say they are far beyond your voice can reach. Meaning, even if you shout to the loudest voice they can't hear you. Then, the question is, how do you suppose to send your messages or information to your receiver in far places? Writing a letter? It's an old way, and besides, it's a hassle and slowest of the slowest way of sending messages. But as you can see, today's communication is a lot much better. Why? Look around you. Maybe you see only few people don't use cell phone, tablets, television, internet, radio, and many more. Who doesn't these days? These devices, these things became part of our way of communication, and it plays vital role for human connection. Set me as an example. I'm sending you an information through a video. Then do you still question yourself of how I made it? I bet you're not. Because you know yourself that I use cell phone, a tablet, or a laptop. Then I send this through internet. Well, it's obvious, right? As you can see, we have a better way of communication. Easy and faster way. And it all thanks to Shannon's method. Have you ever wondered of how we get a faster way of communication or even question yourself who made it? I don't think so. Then today you will know. First, what is a mathematical theory of communication? Literally, it is a book by Claude Shannon, published by the University of Illinois Press, first appeared in the Bell Systems Journal in 1948. This paper's unique and important approach to reliably sending electrical optical signals from one point, the source, to another, the destination, through a channel was instrumental in realizing today's communication miracle. Shannon's methods are not limited to this or to that specific channel technology. Rather, his work applies to virtually all forms of communication channel, from digital audio-video disc to AM/FM broadcasting, and to the technology of the internet itself. The wide applicability of Shannon's insight to communication system as diverse as Samuel Morse's original telegraph system and modern satellite communication is quite remarkable and underlines the importance of his findings. As you can see, Shannon's idea of making the communication in a way faster is a lot of help to humans' everyday communication. Nobody would think that it is not because all forms of communication devices has been our way of living by many of us. We definitely use it in our work or in the tasks of our school provided by our instructors. The problem that Shannon set for himself is somewhat different. Suppose we have a message source which produces messages of a given type, such as English text. Suppose we have a noisy communication channel of specified characteristics. How can we represent or encode messages from the message source by means of electrical signal so as to attain the fastest possible transmission over the noise channel? Indeed, how fast can we transmit a given type of message over a given channel without error? In a rough and general way, this is the problem that Shannon set himself and solved. Bringing broadband television and the internet into our homes over lowly antiquated but ubiquitous twisted pair phone wire connection is a miracle, and it became possible thanks to the power of modern digital communication theory. Can't deny the fact that today's communication is a lot way faster and easier than before. Having many devices that can easily send messages and information was a big help, especially to companies and businesses, and it all thanks to Shannon's method. That's all I can reflect to the book of Shannon, A Mathematical Theory of Communication, and I hope you learn something from this video. Good day everyone, thank you for watching.